Those two, they've got some kind of flirtation going on. What kind of flirtation do you think it is? A flirtation of some sort?
Insider trading.
Flirtation? A flirtation is what we're looking for, not a business relationship.
Oh, it's business flirting, is what it is.
Business flirting?
Yeah, okay.
Secretary.
Teacher is very flirting.
They have a professional relationship. These two, a professional relationship. What is it?
Circus animal trainers.
Boxer and trainer?
Scientist and testing object.
Whatever. Director. Okay, circus animal, that was the first one I heard. Circus
Do
animal.
an instructor.
Me? I'm going to have a conversation with somebody who's got a personal problem. What is it? Agoraphobia.
Can't get his wife to leave.
Agoraphobia.
Fluffer.
Hey, no. Yeah, come off the street. No, yeah, buddy, I know. The street makes you paranoid. Come on in. The bar is small, so you should be fine. Yeah. I'll give you a small drink. How about a shot of tequila to start?
For a small investment.
Very small.
Yeah, I can turn
My stocks are up.
Don't even worry about it. The scratch will be fine. It's totally fine. No one can tell. You were wonderful with that animal.
I was really worried.
Vesuvius is an amazing lion. Like, he can roar out and he just rides and he took it like a shield.
I appreciate it. And then you tried to sew me up and I went backstage.
Yeah, and I'm not a doctor.
I never.
Yeah, tequila sunrise. I'll sew you up. I'm going to stick with tequila since you already had that.
Trouble is, last time I really took a bath in the stock market, I lost so much. I am just really nervous to even try that again.
You're not going to lose.
I'm thinking mutual funds.
With me.
Well, okay, let's put some vodka on it, just a little bit.
You don't think I should maybe change careers, look at maybe mutual funds?
No.
Maybe you should change careers, you know? You shouldn't be an airplane pilot if you don't like a big open space.
Hey, I gave up being an airplane pilot to start working in the stock market.
Well, how much have you made, personally?
A shit ton. And I wanted to share my shit ton.
So you come from western Oklahoma, they have a shit ton of open space out there. That must be crazy. That must be bad.
I was thinking about maybe getting some a tattoo of some scratches on this arm.
Yeah.
So then I could be the scratched woman.
Yeah.
Yeah, you should, yeah, go ahead. That's okay, no.
Now, is shit ton more or less than a buttload?
No, shit ton is much more than a buttload.
Watch out for the bus!
All right. There goes a lot, buttload, assload, shit ton, holy mother of God.
We're closing.
Oh.
Last call was 30 minutes ago, you heard me? Very good.
Let's get these done.
You don't have to go home, but you sure have to go.
Right.
It's hard to get this place empty this time, right?
They're not adding up? Are they not adding up? The numbers are supposed to add up. If Mr. Flink comes in here in the morning, and this...
That's a shit ton.
It's a shit ton of... It's like just zeros.
Shit ton of nothing.
Okay.
I was sure that the healer stock was going to go.
No, it was.
I mean, all of my drinking habits alone.
Well, yes. Plus we've got Mexico. They love tequila in Mexico. It's a surefire deal. And now we fucked it all up and we're gonna get fired.
We're
Lose this whole corner office of mine. This beautiful view.
it's over. It's over.
You're my secretary. You're beautiful too.
Okay.
I mean, it's all over. Every
motion before we serve drinks.
What kind of room is that?
Hi, how you doing?
Would you like a drink?
I love an international flight.
No drinks for 30 minutes.
Not close enough?
Madam, you have to fasten your seatbelt before we kick things off.
I was asking, my seatbelt doesn't seem to be operable
This
here.
iPad.
Hey, what are you gonna order
Turn
for
that
dinner?
iPad off too.
You gonna get the fish? I heard the fish is pretty good.
Oh, fish coming.
So where are you going?
Thailand?
Thailand. Oh, great place. Good drugs.
You've been to Thailand?
I love it.
Yeah.
Love it.
Well, wonderful. Well, I'll just kind of read this,
Get the Sky Mall. Sky Mall.
yeah, I'll read this.
Got it? I got the Sky Mall. Sweet.
So, I just wanted to show you the South Pole. All this land over there, see that windmill?
Oh, that's,
This is all ours.
no, say it ain't so.
If you marry me. All this land
Even those horses?
from this, no, that belongs to Jefferson. These are all.
Oh,
Pig?
I have a pig. I do have a pig.
Also, you have an Indian tribe?
You know, when I came to the city to meet you, well, to meet a woman,
Right.
it was a lot harder. When I left the farm, it was nearly solid. You come out here, you maybe hear a whippoorwill or something, but
Well,
now you have. A lot of loud animals out here now. I wasn't expecting this. I was gonna, trying to surprise you with, your own pair of overalls.
Come on, Bessie, come on. That's the best elephant impersonation I got. Come on, honey. Fuck. Come on. Come on. Here, I got a nice peanut.
Jake, can't you get the elephants moved?
Quit
The
yelling.
hook! You gotta get the hook!
No, motherfucker.
See?
What is wrong with you?
can't you tell she doesn't like that?
Move! Come on!
Here, honey, come on. Don't touch me. I got it.
You know, it's almost
I'm an elephant.
like she's talking.
I am in charge.
Making a lot of noise, but
Back up! Both of you! Do you get me with that thing one more time?
it's funny how she picks up her front leg like that, isn't it? I like
And
that.
I developed a finger!
I taught her how to pick up her front leg.
And it's pointing at you, mister. I'm at it. Get over it.
Well, that's great. Stand down on hind legs and swing your paws around.
You're gonna need these peanuts here. Hold on to them, because that's the only thing that can calm her down.
Calm her down. We want this. This is great. This is great action.
Oh, you want this?
Yeah, this is good.
It takes reverse psychology. Look, honey, look. Smell. Oh, okay, good. Here, maybe I got another one. Oh, that's a tic. Ow, a tic tac. No, you're not gonna like that tic tac. No. Hi, how
I
are
think
you?
I should poke her with the stick.
I think you probably better. Ow! All right, that's it. I've had enough out of you.
Moving pretty quick for an elephant.
Is it just me or does that look like a butt?
It looks like a butt. Everything looks like a butt. It's like,
Have you noticed everywhere you go, everything looks like a butt?
yeah. Once I learned what butts was. Last year in 6th grade, I was just like, man, that looks like a butt. Like, there was a place in the road that kind of looks like a butt.
No. Oh, there's this place coming into Oklahoma City.
No, I'm saying, I know what you're talking about.
It looks like a
Ladies, may I take your order?
This waiter looks like a butt.
When we get in high school, we'd say ass.
Thanks for coming out.
I love
Come speak. Have you ever noticed Mount Rushmore kind of looks like a butt.
Well, it's 4 guys' heads, right?
Oh, okay, forget it. Forget what I said. Let's go on. I'm gonna roll up the window. It's just too damn loud out there.
No. I'm glad that we came parking in the same field that you brought me to and proposed to me. Even though you have yet to get down on one knee, you simply asked for my hand in marriage. You didn't do it right.
So you're saying no?
No, I'm saying I want a proper proposal before I agree to take care of a bunch of fucking animals.
Hey!
On a farm.
That's not fair. You're tearing up. That's not fair. You can't just tear up on me. What am I supposed to do? I'm just a farm boy. You're not even wearing the overalls I gave you.
Hey,
Yeah.
Debbie,
Yeah.
could you scratch my nose?
I'm sorry, I don't have any
It's
hands.
really bothering me up here.
I don't have any hands.
Every time I love my nose,
Hey, if I have hands, there's something else I would be doing.
it's really annoying.
Gentlemen, hold it down over there.
Thanks, Abe.
Try to show some decorum.
You showed the court.
This is
I haven't had
America.
any
We're in a national
hands.
park, for Christ's sake.
Oh, wow, you can see right up
Freeze, everybody, freeze.
his nose.
I always wondered what Teddy Roosevelt really looked like.
Which one's Roosevelt?
I think he's the one with the eyepiece. Yeah.
Look, that one's, this one's chin.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna say it, but you know what it looks like.
Yeah. The icy other one. I'm not going up with one wing icy.
What's the problem now?
The de-icer guy, I don't know, he's jacking off or something. I don't know. Hey, get up there and de-ice it. We gotta take off.
We got all kinds of people waiting and oh my gosh, it looks like he's about to fall off of there.
You got a problem?
We need the wing de-ice. The one
Then
wing.
make minimum wage, how much you get, Tyler? I think you're gonna have to call back.
I think we need to get Reagan back as president. Fire some of these union people.
Oh, do you wanna fire me? I'm Poppy, I get my gun. Gun and guns!
Not really.
Don't take it on the all West Side Story on your maybe next time you're sorry.
I'm violent. I'm professional.
We also have knives.
Chains!
I think I heard somebody call for peanuts. Angela.
Yeah.
All right, I have something very important to talk to you about. Come on over and have a seat.
Well, Violet, you always have something important to talk about. What is it this time?
Andy
Andy?
and
Candy Andy?
Andy.
Yeah?
He lost a fortune.
Not in the tequila future.
Look at that tequila.
Oh, Christ. I told you I wanted to go mutual fund.
I know you did. Okay, rub it in.
Oh, fine. Now I'm broke. Did you actually put your money in the tequila futures?
Some,
Define some.
none. Hey,
These butter sandwiches are pretty good.
Yeah. You keep bringing me to the same field. And this is a nice picnic, but I'm starting to wonder where the... I don't know what kind of animals are in these woods, and I kind of feel like maybe
It's a mesquite tree. You can't really call one mesquite tree woods. One mesquite tree for every 50 acres. That's what I got.
I'm just saying, this place is like an exotic, I'm from the city. I'm from the city! And I
Hey, I think I know the girl. Hey!
And watch this.
So this is the oldest elephant gag in the world. Oh yeah.
Watch this.
It's almost like that elephant's talking. I've seen better than that.
Keep dancing, keep dancing.
Hurting them.
Women, why don't you elephant? You need a lot of nice vows out of it.
Oh, really?
Then you can meet your husband in the circus.
Oh, I could?
Yeah.
Ooh, what would that be like?
Let's imagine that 40 years in the future.
Oi there!
Oh, that are I do.
Oh, I'm so glad, Celeste.
Stop out of it. No. You imagine that all wrong. No. You would never marry an elephant. What? You have an obsession with animals. You want a nice man, maybe a clown, or better yet, the guy, the acrobat on the trapeze.
Oh, he's high all the time.
Let's imagine what that marriage might be like.
Whoa, you didn't catch me that time. I hope you catch me this time. What are we gonna do? We keep missing each other.
Yeah, that's how it goes.
Great insurance policy.
That's how it goes. You know, maybe you should think about, a nice farmer or plumber.
Somebody in the stock market.
Where are those people? Well, I sit out here in the field making noises all night. Where the hell are they?
Hey, don't talk to me. I'm kicking tumbleweeds all the time.
Yeah?
I'm making noises. I'm doing like, I don't even know what that is.
I don't either. Wait, is that some kind of native? You're not gonna wear a damn headdress, are
Hey, it's pretty.
you? Yeah, that goes with your lips.
Just settle down, ladies and gentlemen. We'll be taking off in about 5 minutes. I'm just waiting for the co-pilot to get up here. There you are, finally here.
Yeah,
How
sorry.
did it look like?
Hey!
They're waiting, I guess we just gotta go. Sorry, we're
Hi, we're just going to be another 5 minutes. Well, you guys are our port wing.
Thank
Port
you.
wing is just that, yeah. Our port wing.
It's my one piss. I'm not
You take it, you want this
I'll just flick it on automatic. How's that?
Oh, come on.
Let me give it some gas! We're gonna have to really wrap this one up. Hang on a second. It's yours! Keep your hand out of the way!
All I want to do is get to Miami. What's the problem with that?
Your drink order shortly.
All right.
Hi.
I brought you your.
Hey, Lois. Hey,
Here,
Here.
and I brought you your beer, and here I brought you your coffee. Yeah, you need peanuts?
No, we're full stocked on the nuts.
I need peanuts.
You need peanuts?
Have a seat. It's going to be a difficult flight.
Yes.
Here, you do this big for me.
Yeah, I put mine
This
on
plane
automatic.
is empty.
Hold on, let me deal with this bitch.
So you're back, huh? How's your agoraphobias? Calm down some? You look a lot more relaxed. take my advice, get a little drug on the street, that helps, yeah.
Well, you've just got a couple scratches on your back, a couple scratches on each leg, one across your face, this right one on the midriff.
Yeah, I'm doing pretty good.
You're doing pretty good.
All right, I got a couple of scratches on your back, okay? Get over it.
You need to buy the drinks. I lost a crap kilo of money.
Yeah, you buy these drinks tonight and pay up the tab. Scotch, though, this is good.
I trained
A whole damn crap kilo. Jeez, you know how much that is.
But it was that whole damn kilo of crap that I had to take to get over the scar.
I know, it's more than shit ton.
I see some flashing lights outside. I hope police will come in here and find that.
Oh man, I'm starting to see some flashing lights. Maybe they put something in my drink.
That's good.
I'm seeing flashing lights. You think they're gonna come get me for that insider training thing?
And I'm having a stroke.
Yeah, I think you should probably go. You should go, yeah, you should go.
Let's go.
Thanks for coming in, ladies.
Okay, one more tequila and we gotta go.
Hopefully that'll make that stock go up.
Oh, I hope so.
See you, Carl.
See ya. Thanks for coming in. Y'all have a good night.